condensation buildup on your water heater tank is messing with your home's comfort and energy bills way more than you think. Okay, so here's the deal. First, grab yourself a tank insulation kit because wrapping that baby up keeps the heat in and the moisture out. Then make sure your water heater area has good airflow. Like open a window or install a vent fan to keep things dry and fresh. Another cool trick is slapping on some anti-condensation paint on the tank. It's designed to fight off that nasty moisture without breaking your back. You can also check for leaks or drips around the tank, since water hanging around just invites more condensation problems. Don't forget to keep the room temperature steady. Extreme cold makes condensation worse. If you notice puddles or dampness nearby, clean it up quick so mold doesn't have a chance to show up. Finally, keep an eye on humidity levels in your house with a cheap hygrometer. Aiming for around 40 to 50% humidity helps big time. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condensation buildup on their water heater tank is ignoring poor ventilation. Without enough airflow, moisture has nowhere to go and sticks around like a bad guest. Fix this by adding vents or fans to boost circulation. Another common issue is skipping insulation on the tank itself, which lets heat escape and causes more condensation. The fix is simple. Wrap the tank in an insulation kit made for water heaters. Lastly, a lot of folks forget about maintenance and don't check for leaks or apply moisture-resistant coatings like anti-condensation paint. Just taking these small steps can stop the problem dead in its tracks and save you money on repairs or higher energy bills. BigHomeProjects.com is like your personal hookup for finding trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making home fixes way less stressful. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get more work and connect with homeowners who actually need what you offer.